Matthieu Besozzi. I'm the head of North America at Linkurious. So I'm in charge of all the operations in the US and Canada. Linkurious is a pioneer in graph visualization. We've been in this field for 14 years now. And we have two products. We're software vendors. We have two products. One is Linkurious Enterprise. It's an off-the-shelf graph visualization decision intelligence platform that is used by a lot of large banks, financial institutions, industrial companies, and government on use cases like fraud detection, supply chain risk management, and many other use cases. And we also have another product that is for developers. It's a library called Ogma. It's a library used to actually build graph visualization features on top of applications. That's a very interesting question. I believe there is a lot of new technology coming in the world of knowledge graph. You have, folks like Kuzu coming today. You have folks like PuppyGraph. You have G.V. So it's I believe it's a booming field, and we are getting at a point where the technology is getting mature. So it's very exciting time to be in graph today and knowledge graph today. I think we will see more projects in production, scaling with more users, more data pouring into graph database, and also ways to query as a graph. Since I'm in this industry, I hear a lot. Well, graph. The graph industry will be, growing very fast, very shortly. I believe it's kind of now. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Networking. This conference is amazing in the sense that it's really where all the people in this field are gathering. It's an amazing way for me to reconnect with folks from this community. Could be clients, could be people in the academics, and also a lot of software vendors that I appreciate. So yeah, that's what I like about this conference. The content is great, and networking opportunities and opportunities to reconnect with the community is huge. Other than that, I would invite you to reach out to me on LinkedIn or to connect to our website to reach out to us if you have any question, any comment, anything. We'd be happy to talk to you, to meet with you, and to discuss your projects.